Welcome to the Cooking Dad 242 and
Family!
Today we're making grilled hot dogs. So good!
Yeah!
Now we're using all premium beef hot dogs.
These are the big and spicy ones.
Yes, nice and hot.
Hot dogs.
Oh yes. So how much you gonna have, Sky?
10.
Alright, sounds good.
I want 15.
What? All of that? Woo! That's a lot of hot dogs.
The hot dogs are sizzling in the pot.
Yes, they are. I'm gonna boil it first to take all the salt off.
So are they done yet?
No, I'm gonna pan sear these babies up with some butter.
I bet that these are going to be so good.
Yes, so good.
I will love a good spicy hot dog.
Oh yes. French butter.
The butter is moving.
Yes, it's melting right now.
Ooh, and look at all those bubbles. Yeah, that is so cool.
So much fun.
Ooh, it looks like a hot dog split.
Yes, it is. So I'm about to fry these hot dogs. Give it a nice, crispy outer layer.
Why did you cut the hot dogs?
Like I said, give it a nice, crispy outer layer. I like it nice and crunchy.
I can see all that pepper in.
Yes, that's how spicy that is.
It looks so good.
Oh yes.
Don't let it be too spicy.
Okay. I think you take the heat, Sky.
It really looks good to eat.
Yeah. Oh.
Can we eat it now? It looks
No, these hot dogs, sandwiches.
good.
So it's not ready yet.
That one's ready.
Yes. Okay, that's the last one right here. Look at that, look at that. All the spices.
More
Now-
butter.
Yes, now to toast the bread.
Favorite part.
Oh yes.
The bread is like the best part.
Yes it is. Bread the butter make bread taste better. So much good. Look at that, look at that.
It looks nice and crispy.
Oh yes. All right.
Nice buttery bread. Looks so good.
Oh yes.
I want now. I want it now. I want it now.
Yes, the mayonnaise is coming on right now.
Is that more butter or mayonnaise?
No, that's mayonnaise. It's white. Now to split hot dogs.
Now it's done?
No. Gonna put some pork beans on it.
Pork beans.
Trust me,
Ew.
you'll like these.
It's making the bread soggy.
No, it's gonna make it taste better. Trust me.
Cheese.
And some cheddar cheese.
Yummy cheese. Cheesy cheese. Overflowing. That's okay. You can never have too much cheese.
That's true.
Yeah.
Put some oregano, make it look more pretty.
Oregano.
Oregano.
I don't know that word.
I know. That's about it. Take a little bite.
Oh!
So good. Thanks for watching the Cooking Dad 242 and
Bye.
see you later, guys.